Hi guys, today I want to show you our famous automatic mug press, which is used for 320 milliliter cups, such as normal office or household cup. So you're going to use your sellotape. It is a thermal tape with your sublimation presses. So let's go ahead and prep your mug. So the first thing that you're going to do is obviously plug in your machine. Then you're going to press your on button for it to start heating up. It reaches maximum, so 200 degrees. Once your mug press shows you a green light, then it's ready to press. You just put in your mug. It will automatically close and the countdown begins on top. So you will see the lights are blinking. It will start blinking more and more until it is done. Once it reaches the last one, it will automatically open up. While we are waiting for it to press, just a quick heads up. When you take out your mug, if it's done pressing, do not take the prints off immediately. It will burn you. So just leave it aside to cool down a bit before you take it off. And there your mug is all done. You're ready to take your printing off when it is all cooled down. And you can see what a beautiful mug you have. And it's as simple as that. So if you guys want to make some of these beautiful mugs, just come and have a look for yourself at this amazing machine. Just give our sales a call.